Whoa, it's doing it. Okay, hold on. Hey guys, I'm Dr. Scherer here at Lovett Chiropractic in Amarillo. I wanted to show you my 5-step sciatic pain solution. I roll my eyes because I don't really have a good name for it yet. So if you want to help me out, go ahead and let me know. But if you have sciatic pain, here's what I would do. Here's what I would start with. So if you're around your bed, I would go into a position where it looks like you're reading a book on the side of your bed. What we're trying to do is stretch the muscle. There's only one muscle that goes right across that sciatic nerve. It's called the piriformis muscle. You don't have to remember that name, but this is the position that I would do. You're basically just kind of hugging your knee, or acting as if you're leaning over reading a book on the side of your bed, and you can use the side of your bed. Hang out here for 1 minute. When you're done, whether you're having sciatic pain on both sides or just one side, it doesn't matter. I would go ahead and just balance the thing out. Lean over to the other side. Hang out here for 1 minute. And when you're done, you're going to go into, on your back. And you're going to rock your knees to one side. You feel a nice stretch down the back side of your tush. It's more of the outside. And this is where you should feel a good stretch or a hurt so good type of feeling. It shouldn't be a hurt so bad, but if it is a hurt so bad, then you probably don't want to hang out in this position, okay? I would not recommend it. When you're done with that for 1 minute, switch to the other side. Then just hang out here. Get a nice stretch through here. And that should take a lot of pressure off that sciatic nerve in the glute area. When you're done, flip over onto your back, or onto your stomach, sorry. What you want to do is push up. Belly button is still kind of contacting the ground, and try and come up where your hips now are contacting the ground. You're trying to drop the belly button as much as you can. And just hang out here 1 minute. When you're done, come on up slowly. You're going to get into a position that's called gorilla knuckles. Now, I didn't have a better name for it, but this is what it reminded me of. So, instead of reaching for your toes with a straight leg, you go ahead and bend your knees and put your knuckles on the ground. You can put your hands out if you want to, but I usually do knuckles. And I'm going to stretch the hamstrings, the back of the knee, the back of the legs, and relax again. Relax, and again. You just hang out here for about 5 to 10 seconds each. When you're done with that, what you want to do then is get your tush as low to the ground as possible, and you can use the side of your bed if you need to. So, hang out here, poke the chest out. Just get a really good stretch. You're going to feel it probably in the quads, the front of the legs, the back of the legs, even the calves a little bit. Hang out here, and then go right back into that hamstring stretch, the first phase of the gorilla knuckles. And do it about 3 or 4 times. When you're done with all of this, you want to just relax. What can happen with sciatic pain? A lot of times it's caused because that pelvis, the way that it's organized, sometimes it'll get locked into a rotated position, and that'll put this binding pressure onto the tailbone and works its way up, and it can end up pinching down on the sciatic nerve, which causes the leg pains. So here's what you want to do. 20 minutes, lay down on your back, prop your one leg up, tuck the shoulder blades under, and just hang out here. 20 minutes. When you're done with that, all you do is switch legs. This is the move that will naturally allow gravity to relax the muscle of the groin so that it'll correct the posture of the pelvis. And that's it. When you're done, if you still feel like it's really tight, go ahead and repeat all that stuff in the order that I showed you, and I hope this really helps. My disclaimer is that if this stuff has been going on for a long time, and you try these exercises out, they should be able to help you out in about 2 days. If not, then it's time to go see a doctor. So that's my disclaimer. Also, I wanted to thank everybody out there. We just got voted best of Amarillo 10 years straight, so it's such a blessing, and thank you. We have we just want to thank those people out there in Amarillo for voting us best of. But hope this really helps out, and I'll talk to you later.